Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, September 28, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.357. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.60%. This is an average return of -0.22% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock price down 1.27% on Wednesday. The Apple stock price fell by -1.27% on the last day, Wednesday, September 28, 2022, from $151.76 to $149.84. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 4.01% from a day low at $144.84 to a day high of $150.64. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -3.52% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 62 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 147 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $21.99 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 18.09%, or $33.10, below 52-week high and 34.36%, or $78.42, below all-time high August 30, 2018 where the price hit $228.26. The stock lies in the lower part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $147.15 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 6.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 4.37% and 27.27%. The 12-month trend indicates a -3.03% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -16.85% and 15.14%. This equals a price between $124.59 and $172.52 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Apple stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $152.31 and $160.63. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 17, 2022, and so far it has fallen -14.16%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $148.47, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $5.80, 4.01%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.85%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 25.13. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released October 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.26. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $150.70. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $148.47, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On September 25, 2022, Williams Jeffrey E. made an inside buy of 66,477 of restricted stock unit. On September 25, 2022, O'Brien Dardiar E. made an inside buy of 66,477 of restricted stock unit. On September 25, 2022, Cook Timothy D. made an inside buy of 199,429 of restricted stock unit. On September 25, 2022, Cook Timothy D. made an inside buy of 66,477 of restricted stock unit. On September 25, 2022, Adams Catherine L. made an inside buy of 66,477 of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -5.384. In total, the insiders bought 1,229,242 and sold 1,597,333 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Apple stock a buy? The Apple stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Apple will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 29th, we expect Apple to open down -$1.40 and start trading at $148.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.